How to unlike all liked videos on TikTok at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, what you simply need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, it will lead you to your profile, so tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy and scroll down. And here, all you have to do is just tap on Report a Problem. As you tap on Report a Problem, you'll be able to see different options over here. So you can just select on any of these options over here, or you can just directly tap on Chat with Us option, and you can send your message of requesting the TikTok help desk to remove or unlike all your liked videos on TikTok at once, and just request them and they'll reply you or they'll connect with you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.